Subtract 0.62 from 1 using long subtraction. Line up the decimal points in the same column. Add placeholder zeros so both numbers have the same number of decimal places. We work from right to left and finish one column before moving to the next. In the hundredths column, 0 is less than 2, so we need to borrow. Borrow 1 from the ones column. 1 becomes 0. Carry the borrow through 1 0. Each cross 0 becomes 9. The 0 in the hundredths column becomes 10. In the hundredths column, 10 minus 2 is 8. In the tenths column, 9 minus 6 is 3. In the ones column, 0 minus 0 is 0. Bring the decimal point straight down into the answer. The final result is 0.38.